64 Part 2. They just had a crazy update that wasn't this one. They added respawning feature so you don't start the game. And in the maze it shows like where the monster is. This is crazy. No. I'm recording this at midnight right now. I'm tired, and I'm so quiet because my dad is sleeping. We can get very mad sometimes. Blue, this is crazy. This is crazy. Siren Head! Your biggest find, Siren Head.
Blue, can you hear me? Blue, can you hear me? Bro.
Wait, they updated this one.
Yeah, this is crazy. You respawn now. Oh! Oh! Run! Run!
Where's banana?
Good, good, good.
I don't know what to be more scared of right now. Siren Head, a cartoon cat. This is chaos. Oh, my volume is so low now. I don't even know if my voice is recording. Please be recording. I should be recording. Here's me. Here's me. Oh no. Watch out, guys. Siren Head. Siren Head's coming. Cartoon Cat does make a banger. Hey, where's that banger song at? Peace house. Holy pep. Peace house. I hope my... Was it recording or not? Spider-Man? Jump! Let's jump! That was scary! Oh my god! Volume warning for the rest of the video, guys. Volume warning. I need my volume warning. This is good. What? I can't hear Siren Head.
I'm going to church.
Hey. My volume is so loud right now. Everybody from Pizza. Should we go over there? Let's go over there. Come on, let's go. Me and you. 3, 2, 1. Is Cartoon Cat coming? Shut up, Cartoon Cat. Volume warning. Ow! I'm turning my my headset down. No. What? What was that? Did you see that?
Goku's coming for us. Goku is coming for us. Oh shoot! Oh shoot!
Where's his music? The siren head.
Orange, look down. Orange, look down. Orange, if you're orange, look down. If you're yellow,
Oh, no. I'm sorry, I didn't ask for that. I changed my mind. I don't want this music. Oh, oh. Run, run. Siren head. I'm trying to get a thumbnail, but I don't know how. Run! Everyone run! Run! Oh! Oh!
if you're blue color, if you're light blue color.
Are they all after me? Blue. Oh gee, whatever your name is. I'm scared. Look at this. Run! You idiot, what are you doing? Run! I want Mars right now. Oh! Oh! Ow! Ow! Ah! Oh, my hand! Oh! Ow! Oh! Eee! My hand! My hand! Bro, my hand! My hand! My hand! My hand! No! Don't go that way, Brown! Don't go that way! Oh, oh, a cartoon cat! Oh, my hand! Oh! 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 Ah, my hand! Bro, I seriously hit my hand running from Siren Head.
All the green, all the yellow, pink, brown, black, black.
Who's he after? I think it's me. I don't know. I hate your family. We're absolutely cornered by everyone. Bro, we have to go back. We have to go back. We have to go back. If something starts chasing, you can run back. As long as... Run, run. No. Back. Go back. Why is everyone running? That's why. That's why. Frampy's house. Oh, damn. It's right now. It is actually midnight. I've been recording for so long. We're not okay. We're not okay. Okay. This is the end of today's episode. This is actually the funnest game ever. Goodbye, guys.